Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be another get ready with me using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Breaker Eyeshadow Palette. Now, recently I did do a first impressions and swatches video on this palette. If you have not seen that already, I will link that down in the description box. So please make sure to go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. But after I like to just kind of do the swatches and just do like an overall first impressions of the palette, I definitely wanted to go ahead and use it on my eyes. So I'm super excited to do this video, and of course I'll be including my final thoughts on my palette and if I would recommend it or not. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is just prime my eyes using an e.l.f. eyelid primer. Next, I'm going to go in with the color with the name Double Scoop, and I'm just going to be applying that in the creases of my eyes. And then I'm also going to go ahead in a little bit and just take like a regular eyeshadow brush and take that same color and apply it all over my eyelids. Next, to apply some dimension to my eyes and in my crease, I'm going to go ahead and take the color Hot Fudge on a crease brush and just apply that in my outer crease and also on the outer corners of my eyes. So here are what our eyes are looking like already, but I kind of wanted to do something different and just add a little bit of color, or I guess a little bit more color to our eyes. So I went in with the color Purple Punch, and just on a skinnier eyeshadow brush, I guess you could call it, I just picked up that color and just applied it on my upper lash line and just kind of smoked it out using the same brush. So the tops of our eyes are done, and before I move on to the lower lash line, I went ahead and just applied all of my face makeup, a little bit of some contour and highlight, and then I also went ahead and filled in my eyebrows. I didn't want to include all of that in this video because you guys have seen me use my same face and eyebrow products time and time again, so just to save a little bit of time, I decided to do all of that off camera. So now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with that same purple color in the name Purple Punch, and I'm just taking it on this skinny eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be lining that color on our lower lash line. Then I'm taking kind of like a pointier, stiffer blending brush, and I'm just picking up a little bit more of the Purple Punch and also mixing a little bit of that Oral color, which is another purple color in this palette. And I'm just mixing those colors together and just kind of smoking out our lower lash lines a little bit. And then I'm also touching up the Purple Punch on our upper lash line as well. And for our inner corner highlight, I went in with the color Slice. Ever since I saw this color in this palette, I've been so excited to use it, so I definitely wanted to use it in this video. So I just picked up that color and put it all over my inner corner, just for another pop of color and of course for a inner corner highlight. Now I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes and applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. The mascara that I'm currently using is the one by L'Oreal. I cannot believe I'm blanking on the name. I apologize about that, but I have definitely shown it before and talked about it in some of my other videos. for my lip color, I really wanted to keep it very natural, so I dipped into one of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini liquid lipstick collections, and I went with the color Mannequin, which is a really nice lighter nude color. And our look is complete. I really hope you all enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And after using some of these eyeshadows on my eyes, I am once again blown away. Jeffree Star Cosmetics can just not go wrong with any of their eyeshadow palettes. This is my third eyeshadow palette that I own from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I just haven't been disappointed with any of his other palettes, including this one, while using them on the eye. As you can tell by this Get Ready With Me, it's pretty short, and that just shows to you guys how easy these eyeshadows are to work with. They're easy to blend, they're pigmented, so you don't have to spend a lot of time packing the color on your eyes. Overall, I just really like this palette. I kind of also mentioned in my swatches and first impressions video, I was not excited about this palette when he first came out with it, and I never really planned on purchasing it, but I ended up getting this palette in the Halloween mystery box that Jeffree Star came out with, and even when I opened my mystery box and I saw that this palette was included, I wasn't all of that excited, just because, I don't know, I just wasn't drawn to this eyeshadow palette. But now, after doing my swatches and first impressions video and doing this Get Ready With Me and playing around with some of the eyeshadows on my eyes, I absolutely love this palette, and I will definitely see myself reaching for this palette a lot more. So for you guys, if you're looking for a nice travel size eyeshadow palette that has great pigmented and easy to use and easy to blend eyeshadows, this is definitely a great eyeshadow palette for you to go to, and I 100% recommend it to you guys. So once again, if you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.